So we're going to be together shortly here.
Shukuru-ini wa Nairobi School guku Nairobi, Minister wa githomo Dagitari Fred Matiang'i akinya hamwe na anyiti itemi angi kurekereria moimirirama ma kigeranio gia KCSE kia mwaka uyu. Rita riri arutwo 142 nio marahotire gukinya grade A, umwe makiria ya aria mari na marks icio mwaka muhituku.
We all observed a decline in the number of A minuses. In 2016 we had a total of 4,645 A minuses. We declined by almost half because this year we have 2,714.
Moimirirama ma kigeranio giki makionania ati arutwo a Airitu nio marekite wega gukiringithanio na imwana. Gatagati ka arutwo aria marekite kigeranio giki, gicunje kia 51 marari Airitu, guku gicunje kia 48 gikirugamirira anake.
6 subjects particularly, singularly in each of the 6 subjects, female candidates have performed way better than male candidates.
Imwe cia kaunti iria itamburitwo ni Minister Matiang'i ni undu wa kwandikithia namba nene ya Airitu ni hamwe na kaunti ya Ngiri, Kirinyaga, Nyandarua, Murang'a, kaunti ya Kiambu, Meru, Makueni, Tharaka Nithi na Laikipia gatagati kaingi. Mathomo ma mathabu ni mamwe ma mathomo 13 maria mandikithitie moimirirama mega gukiringithanio na mathomo 5 maria mekitwo wega mwaka wa 2016.
In fact, in the case of mathematics, it's outstandingly significant. Again, which is evidence that in certain subjects or in certain areas there was a deliberate effort to improve.
Minister Matiang'i augete kuongererwo kwa maafitha aria mararugamiriire kigeranio o hamwe na unyitaniri na honge itiganite cia thirikari ni umwe wa maundu maria mateithiriirie kugia na mutaratara utari na ihengesha wa kigeranio. Ona gutwika namba ya arutwo aria mahitukite guthii university ni nyihite, Minister Matiang'i augete ati ministry yake ni iretira gukorwo ikiandikithia moimirirama maronania wigiririki guku aria mekunyitikana na mahitia magetanyo kwerwo makinya marumu ma kiwatho. Ngiri Inooro TV, jitagwo Gathoni wa Jehia.